And it comes in big reels like this, and this is called jute. I'm not sure what that is in English. It's probably flax or something. It's a natural material. All you do is run it down, and I've got blooming spray foam everywhere, and staple it in place. Right, so ja postaram specjalną sztukę, czy da? Sekundę? Raz, dwa, trzy. Czy da? Okej? So. YouTube as well. It's the end of the day, another long day, but we did achieve something, so I'll flick around and show you what we've done. This is what we've got done today. It's actually quite dark, but the video seems to be showing up quite well. That's the wall that we put up today, already all sprayed, all blah blah blah. This is the place for that wall already, and as you can see, where the two walls are joined, insulated, and all along the bottom as well. So the next wall we're putting up is actually going to be this one here. I'll show you up now. Off camera I did a little bit of extra work. I've got this frame here ready. Well, it's not ready, there's a lot more to go into it yet, but it's partly done. And I built a nice little table, bench, whatever you call it, so that I can put my saw on there and use that for the studs in the wall. And it's nice and high, so I don't have to bend over it. And also it's at a height where I can use it for when I'm putting in the Verkhney Obязка, which will go on once the outside walls are in place. So quite a lot today. That wall was quite heavy lifting, but me and the wife did it easily. And so yeah, so far so good. I'll see you tomorrow.